situation.
Christ did not glorify himself so as to be made a high priest, but he was exalted and appointed by the one who said to him, "You are my son." Listen to this. "Today I have begotten you." You are my son. Today I have fathered. For Jesus to be equipped as Savior that can save to the utmost, God had to exalt him into a position of lordship so high that his ability to save would be authorized from his position as Lord. Help me here. Let us draw a circle for the earth. You can make another circle for heavens, and then a great circle for universe. And then we say Jesus would be sitting outside the circle on a throne. And in order for the different dimensions of authority and influence that causes man to stumble, principalities, powers, and wicked forces in the air, Jesus didn't only have to die for mankind, he died only for mankind, but he didn't only have to die for mankind to save people on earth, but he had to be in being Savior, exalted as Savior, high above the heavenlies, into the highest dimension of authority, as Lord outside of the heaven, to sit as Lord of Lords, so that his salvation, his ability to save, his call to Savior, might be authorized from the highest dimension of Lordship. So that from his highest position where he is seated, authority would be extended from out of the heavenlies down into the earth, so that there is no dimension under his feet that would be able to rob us from his ability to save. That would be able to rob us from his ability. Why? Because he was exalted high above all the heavens, and he took on the position, the highest position of lordship and authority that can exist